WBP stars. My name is Thijs Vervloet from restaurant Colette De Vijvers in Averbode. Welcome in our new location. And to finish the meal, we have a trolley with some sweets, and I will now explain what we all have for you at the end of the meal of your lunch here at the Vijvers. To start, we have our two pâtes de fries. It's like Turkish fruit with orange and black currant. We have our homemade nougat with pistachio nuts, homemade caramels with vanilla. We have our eclairs with fresh vanilla cream and caramel topping. Then we have the vanilla cake with lemon, the macaron with raspberries. We have the classic Belgian rice with vanilla and cream. We have our marshmallow with passion fruit, and one of our signature dishes also, we have our chocolate tart with macadamia nuts and caramel. I hope you enjoyed this with your coffee or tea.